Ethereum and Bitcoin price prediction. More upside after 4% gains following the Fed rate hike. Following the Federal Reserve's rate hike, the values of Bitcoin and Ethereum rose lately, with BTC and ETH each jumping by 4%. The values of Bitcoin and Ethereum are anticipated to keep rising in the near future as more investors choose cryptocurrencies as a safe haven asset. This essay will give a general review of the market environment and examine whether or not the values of BTC and ETH can rise further in light of recent developments. What is the fundamental outlook for cryptocurrency today? The largest cryptocurrency in the world, Bitcoin, soared when the Federal Reserve increased interest rates by 25 basis points. Due to a number of changes in the cryptocurrency industry, including an increase in institutional investors and improvements in crypto regulation, Bitcoin has become more and more popular. The fact that Ethereum, ETH, crossed the $1,600 threshold early on Thursday morning has encouraged investors. The recent remarks by Jerome Powell regarding a decline in U.S. inflation have contributed to this upbeat mood. Following the Federal Reserve's announcement of an anticipated rate increase of 25 basis points, the global cryptocurrency market soared, fostering a favorable climate for the industry. The Federal Reserve indicated the need to further tighten monetary policy on Wednesday by increasing interest rates by 0.25%. The Fed guaranteed continued rises in borrowing costs as part of its ongoing fight against inflation. As a result, the most recent Federal Reserve decision was viewed as one of the positive developments that bolstered the cryptocurrency market and contributed to Bitcoin's ascent. In the meantime, the market's support for cryptocurrencies has greatly benefited from the increase in institutional investors. Another important factor that was perceived to have positively benefited the crypto sector was the development in the regulations governing cryptocurrency on the other side of the world. Crypto miners face challenges. As institutional interest in the Bitcoin futures market increased, retail investors started to get interested in Bitcoin. Over the previous month, more addresses with more than 0.01 coins have been registered, according to Glassnode. This was considered to be yet another important element driving up Bitcoin, BTC, prices. The miners, on the other hand, weren't having much fun. Bitcoin miners' earnings dramatically dropped last week, and the rising cost of electricity had a negative impact on them as well. This would increase the pressure on miners to sell their stock, which might lower the price of Bitcoin. Following a less pessimistic FOMC meeting, the US dollar declines. After the Federal Reserve increased interest rates by 25 basis points as anticipated and signaled continuous hikes in borrowing costs as part of its ongoing fight against inflation, the broad US dollar continued to decline. The Federal Reserve is nonetheless concerned about inflation despite a promising economic forecast. In order to combat this, the US dollar has been falling, which has in turn helped create a situation that has supported rising Bitcoin prices. Bitcoin price. The market price of Bitcoin is $23,900 as of right now, and it has appreciated 4% over the previous day. It also has a market cap of $460 billion, an amazing $29 billion in trading volume, and the top ranking on CoinMarketCap. The immediate resistance for Bitcoin on the 4-hour period is located close to the $24,250 mark, and the market is now positive. The next resistance level of $24,800 might be reached by BTC if there is a bullish breakout of the $24,250 level. Additionally, if the price of BTC rises above the $24,800 threshold, it may hit the $25,250 level. This is as a result of the Federal Reserve raising interest rates and the FOMC's less than hawkish stance. The 50-day simple moving average is also pointing to a buying trend, and leading technical indicators like the RSI and MACD have entered the purchasing zone. On the downside, Bitcoin might find immediate support around $23,550. However, a bearish breakthrough of this level might open the door to further selling, possibly all the way to $23,250. Ethereum price. Ethereum's price is now $1,673 after rising by 5% during the previous day. According to CoinMarketCap, it now ranks second with a live market cap of $204 billion and a 24-hour trading volume expected to be over $9.6 billion. Technically speaking, Ethereum has broken through an ascending triangle pattern that was acting as resistance close to the $1,660 mark. The ETH price may rise to $1,725 as an initial objective if there is a bullish breakout over this level. The ETH-USD pair has developed a free white soldiers candlestick pattern on the 4-hour time frame, indicating the potential for a bullish trend continuation. Ethereum may face a negative decline to the $1,600 or $1,550 level, while support levels continue to hold around $1,660.